Tools to manipulate data in Excel. Flash, fill, and remove duplicates. So if you deal with lots of data lists and find yourself doing a lot of cleaning and tidying up as well as having Microsoft Excel version 2013 or higher or 2020, then you will have this new feature called Flash Fill. Prior to this version, you will need to use the usual text to column feature found under the data tab. When you have the data like an email address, you may be needing to display only the surname. Sharing Excel files. Sharing Excel file using OneDrive is very easy. OneDrive is a Microsoft Office product. That's why it plays well with other Microsoft Office. One person can be in the file making a change, and the very same time another can be seeing the changes take place right before their eyes. So open the Excel file. If you have whatever version, you will have a share icon and the top right hand corner. Click the share button, select save to cloud. From the left hand side, select on OneDrive. From the right, navigate through your OneDrive folders, double click the OneDrive folder to store in. Make sure you name your file, then press save. Filtering data. We can use Microsoft Excel when dealing with long lists. There are several techniques you can use to achieve this. One is to go to the Data tab and select the Filter button. The second option is to activate from the Home tab and select Filter. Whilst the Filter tool is useful and will show you only the data that uses and show you the interested data in it. It also has the sort feature built into it under the drop-down arrows. What's flash fill? An alternative to use text to column to extract the part that you need from a mix of data is the flash fill feature in the Excel. For example, if you have an email ID, example is xyz@solution.com. So you might want to extract each person's name or surname. Alternatively, use text to column found other data in the data tab. Type PNC that fill down. Click on the autofill open smart tab. Select flash fill only available since version, I think 2013 forward. Then split data into separate cells. When you need to split the data into Microsoft Excel from one column into several, use text to column. You can split the data each time there is a space, comma, tab, and more. This feature has been available for many versions of Microsoft Excel. Split a comments fields which has alter end text. Text in the same cell but on a new line. To separate these, use the delimited option as the other type. Naming Excel sheet. There are two techniques you can use when wanting to name your sheets in Microsoft Excel. You can double click on the name of the sheet, type the name and press enter. You also can move right mouse click on this name and sheet and select from the list, rename. When working in the Microsoft Excel, you have a workbook name, which means the name of the file. In just one sheet, you have 16,000 and over 1 million rows. Navigate multiple sheets. If you find yourself working between multiple sheets, you may find it frustrating to get quickly from one to the other. Pressing the navigation arrows on the bottom left will take forever. You could use shortcut keys like Control Page Up or control page down. But this is not any faster. Try the ultimate right click or right mouse use. On the bottom left navigation arrow, navigating large Excel spreadsheet efficiently. Excel spreadsheet can be pain to get around when you have lots of sheet to bounce around between and data that spans over many columns and rows. In that way, Control Home and Control N should be the first keystrokes you ever learn because these can be used in not only Microsoft Excel products but also in Word and PowerPoint. Control Home will get you to the top and Control N will get you to the end or the very last page if it in the Word or last column or row that data is in the Excel. Last, to double click or not. To double click when you are in a cell and you want to edit the contents of that cell, the standard is that you can double click. Then proceed to make whatever changes you would like, followed by pressing enter. Recently, I had installed an add-in for Excel called Power User. This is the only change that I could think of that I had made to Excel.